Hello again, this is Muhammad Atayeb. In this video, I will tell you to stop using the VLOOKUP function. It's very old. It will not work probably for every example that you have. Let's try to use a VLOOKUP function in this example. If I have a customer ID and I need to know which city this customer ID is from, will work good here. VLOOKUP, my lookup value is the customer ID, and I put comma, and the table array starting from the lookup value, which means table array must start from the customer ID column, and comma, which column index number has the return values that I need. I need the city. C is in column 3, 1, 2, 3, so I put 3, comma, and 0 for exact match. Now it's easy to get the city for every customer ID that you need, but if I need the customer name, here I will find a difficulty. VLOOKUP, this customer ID is my lookup value, comma, and as we all know, the table array for the lookup value must start from the column contains the lookup value. So my table array has to start from here. Comma, now I have to put the column index number for the return value that I need. I need the customer name as a return value, but the customer name is not within my table. So the VLOOKUP will not get me any result. So I will use this very good function called index. The index function will need an array where the return value exists. In this example, the return value is the customer name, so I have to select the customer names. And I will close the range. And then comma, now the index function needs a row number. Which row number contains the result that we need? The customer ID PPS408 is in row number 9. So maybe I have to type 9 here, and then I will get my result, but it's not the good way. So I don't need to type this number here. So I will make the Excel use another function called match, and it will find the number for me. So the function is match this customer ID in this array, and I close it with 0 as exact match. Now the match function will just find which row contains this customer ID, which row number contains this customer ID, and it will give it to the index match, and the index match will get me the results that I need. And I will copy it down, and I have all the customer names that I need. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, just type it in the comments below. Thank you and goodbye.